sit or? Bus, right. Okay. Here, sir. Right, sir. Fine.
And Mr. Rahul is a VIP. So we are very happy because we are here to drive this customer. We are only deliveries for customers plan to. And Diwali, our Dashera and Navratri has been excellent. We want to make Diwali also extended. It's been getting so many bookings, especially with the new launch of Wednesday. Other models also have been so many interactions, so many bookings. So we are here for that. And so we have Ashish Joshi is come all the way from Pune. And he will be standing here addressing all of you. If you have any questions, please ask it. And yeah, Ashish.
We bring in the Java 42 FJ, and this is it gives me a lot of pleasure to be here in Hyderabad once again. It's the city that I love, and I love to be here. And a lot of good things about the place. The people, the food, the weather as well. Lovely weather outside as well. So this is a bike that we have put on the Java 42 platform. It's the 42FJ. The F and J stand for the founder of Java, Anichek Yanichek. The other things that you will notice about this motorcycle is the unique design. It's also got the new Alpha 2 engine, which is 334cc engine, 29, 30 horsepower, 30 Newton meters of torque, all of that. There is a lot of product input which has gone in, and there is a very significant Java 42 range which is now available. And then on 3rd of September we went ahead and launched the 42FJ. Now the 42FJ has seen a lot of
Sir.
My name is Ashish Singh Joshi. I am the CEO for Classic Legends, which is dealing with JawaYezdi and BSA motorcycles. I am here, very happy to be here in Hyderabad today. We've just showcased our Java 42 FJ motorcycle, which is a motorcycle which complements our 42 range, which we have now expanded to include this product. Now this is a 350 motorcycle with nearly 30 horsepower, 30 Newton meters of torque, and looks and styling elements on the motorcycle and performance elements on the motorcycle which are beyond compare. This is a class leading motorcycle on safety, on braking, handling, maneuverability, all of that, and including the technology that goes in. It is liquid cooled, it has 6-speed, it is dual overhead cam on the engine. So all of the tech, I forget, but let me not forget the slipper clutch as well. So all of that goes in to make the Java 42 FJ a brilliant product to ride and enjoy. And since its launch, it has pushed out all the booking numbers. We have been doing a fantastic sales piece on in the Dashera, Diwali period, the Dashera and the Navratri period. We are now heading towards a huge Diwali sale time as well, and which is why I'm here. I am in fact here just after meeting you guys. I'm delivering motorcycles to lots of our customers at this dealership, and then about 5 other dealerships in Hyderabad. So that's essentially what it is, the prices on these motorcycles start from 1,99,000, if I'm not wrong, 199 ex showroom, 1.99 ex showroom here, and they go up based on the variants that you're choosing. But this is not the only motorcycle that we've just launched. There is also the BSA 650, the BSA Gold Star, that has come into the Indian market. Prior to that, the YESDI Adventure as well. All of these are available to test ride and book at our showrooms across the country. So I would just say, please come over, have a ride. I can guarantee you'll have a smile on your face when you ride our motorcycles. Thank you.